Delhi Sane Ödü Tsokchungki Delhi Nangi Kepgung Pimitsol, Sijiniki Ödü Debge Nangcho the Debe Gola, Setashi Shuju Yobe Tungnan Yober Shu. Number 3 Kense the Ringmi Pimi Tikzuki Sikyong Tang, Pemi Ma Chitu Kap Chupdunbe, Ngota Tang Ngushu Ödü Leble Nyeber Yober Song, Ödü Lagane Nyeja Yongjab Seta Nang Washin, Sane Nangi Ödü Tsokchungki Tsongmin Nambe, Neyem Kembe Yutim Tang, Pimi Tikzuki Kagontar, Mima Tunzom Nang Megoba, 산내 ödü 초중기 총민남배 칠루 니동 니슈 다와 급의 체직내 니동 니슈 다와 주베 체정아 바르 öben버츠 민슈 대교 구조 낭철 연나 öben버츠 당도 민슈 대교 만한 콩라 전주 비미 당란 정의 락dem나 의법법 대야 칠루 니동 니슈 다와 순배 체 숨주 소지 바르 표심바 구주다 비미내도 산내 강도아 ödü 초중기 통내 민슈 대교 낭초바다 Pangway Kapsu, Mingshu Tepke Nawe Tanglan Chengwin Laktep Nyabot Nam Kobale, Te Tsapshu Tashutang, Palen Jeba Namne, Udu Na Chashi Len Tupta Meba, Tede Kongja Yobershu. Xuanje Ranglu, Chopje Shibu Leri Nambe, Mingshu Tepke Ki Tseshi Deyang, Chilu Nidong Nishu Dawa Jube Tse Sumju Soji Bar Yobasong, Lenje Ne, Siji Niki Udu Na, Chashi Len Tupta Su, Mingshu Tepke, Tuzu Pyobe, Nangzu Nyabal Tuna Yobershu, Tujiche, Dilisane Ödü Tsokchungne.
As per the Election Commission's announcements for the upcoming 2021 general elections for Sikyong and members of the 17th Tibetan Parliament in exile, every eligible voter must complete voter registration. The voter registration process will begin from 1st September 2020 and end on 15th October of the same year. Before voter registration, one should have completed payment of Green Book dues up to 31st March 2020. Voter registration can be done from any Tibetan settlement. During the time of voting, the voter must carry with him or her their original Green Book. Carrying photocopies of the Green Book is not allowed. Those who are turning 18 on 31st October 2020 and older are eligible to vote once the Green Book dues are paid and voter registration is done. The Regional Tibetan Election Commissioner of Delhi requests all eligible voters to please register in the said period so that they can vote in both pre and final voting period.